Hello and welcome. If you've been hearing all this buzz about AI and kind of secretly thinking, what does this actually have to do with me? Well, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to cut through all that noise and show you how AI can become your most powerful tool for learning pretty much anything, one simple step at a time.
I mean, we've all been there, right? You want to learn something new. You pop open a search engine and bam, you're drowning in a dozen open tabs. The information is all over the place. Some of it's way too basic. Other sites are packed with technical jargon. It feels like you spend more time looking for answers than actually learning anything. It's just frustrating. But what if I told you there's a completely different way to go about it? A way to get straight to the answers you need, explained in a way that actually makes sense to you. That's what we're talking about today. Using AI not as some big, complex technology, but as a super straightforward tool for just understanding stuff.
So, to get started, I want you to completely forget about the idea of complicated code or robots. Really. Instead, I want you to think of AI as just a helpful conversation partner. Let's reframe this. We're not using technology, we're just having a chat.
This right here, this is the real game changer. Unlike a person, an AI never gets tired or frustrated. You can ask it to explain that again, but simpler, or even explain it to me like I'm 10 years old, and it'll just do it, instantly. It creates this completely judgment-free space for you to be genuinely curious, because there are truly no silly questions.
So, that's the big idea. But what does this look like in practice? What can you actually ask it to do? Let's dive into the specific superpowers this personal tutor brings to the table.
Just think about the range here. 1 minute, you can ask it to break down a big topic like, what is inflation? The next, you can ask for a quick summary of a historical event before you watch a movie. You can even paste in a confusing email from work and ask it, what does this mean in simple terms? It's like having a super smart research assistant on call 24/7.
Okay, so you know what it can do. Now, how do you actually start? And this is the best part, because it is genuinely as simple as just talking. Or, well, typing. You don't need any special skills, I promise.
That's it. Seriously. There are no secret commands or weird technical jargon you have to learn. Just think of something you've always wanted to know more about, open up an AI tool, and ask your question just like you would ask a person.
Let's look at a real example. See, you could just ask, what is compound interest? But a way better question is what you see here. By adding little phrases like, explain it like I've never heard of it, and use a simple real-life example, you're giving the AI specific directions. You're guiding it away from a dry textbook definition and toward a story that actually clicks.
And here's another one for a common health question. Again, you're guiding the conversation. You're not just asking what it is, but also why it happens and what helps. And the key is that last part, asking for simple, everyday language. That's your secret weapon to make sure you get a clear, practical explanation instead of some dense medical definition you can't even use.
Now, this shows a totally different superpower, using AI as your personal curriculum builder. Instead of just asking for a definition, you can ask it to create a learning plan for a new skill, like photography. It can suggest what to learn first, second, and third, which takes all the guesswork and overwhelm out of starting something new.
And here's a really powerful one. You can literally copy and paste text from a confusing document and just ask for a simple summary. This can be unbelievably helpful for figuring out things that are filled with jargon, whether it's a work contract or a confusing legal notice like this one.
Okay, now before you dive in and start asking a million questions, there's one really crucial point we need to cover. This is all about using this amazing tool responsibly and safely.
And this brings us to what is hands down the single most important rule for using AI to learn anything.
So here it is. AI is a starting point, not an expert. It can be incredibly helpful, but it can also be wrong. Sometimes it makes factual errors or gives you outdated information. So please, use it to get your bearings on a topic, but never ever treat it as the final absolute source of truth.
This is especially true for any of these high-stakes topics. If you're using AI to understand a health issue, a legal document, or a financial decision, you always have to follow up by checking with a qualified professional, a doctor, a lawyer, a financial advisor, or a trusted official source. Use the AI to prepare for that conversation, not to replace it.
All right, with that important reminder in mind, the rest is all about exploration and curiosity. It's time for you to actually give it a try. This is where the real fun begins.
So here is your simple, low-pressure challenge for today. Just think of one thing you've always been a little bit curious about. Maybe it's how the stock market actually works, or the plot of a classic novel you never read, or the basic rules of a sport. Anything at all.
Go ask the AI to explain it to you. And then, once it gives you an answer, ask it another question. Maybe something like, can you give me another example, or tell me more about that second point? Just experience that back and forth. You'll see just how natural and helpful it can feel.
So, I'll just leave you with this. That question that's kind of floating in the back of your mind, that thing you've always been a little curious about, that's your starting point. The door to understanding it is now wide open. Go ahead and ask.